Ping is a tool or application. Ping is a tool or application of IP which is used to get network layer status of connected device. Ping sends ICMP echo packet. Alright, ping works on ICMP. So ping sends ICMP echo packet to get the network layer status. It is also used for the following: to check the connectivity, to calculate latency, which is called delay, and to verify link quality, which is called drop. Got it?
Yeah.
So now you clearly understand what is ping and all.
Yeah.
All right. Now, whenever, see, our computer is already having a MAC address, right? So, but for communication on the network, we have to give IP address also, right?
Yeah.
So whenever we give the IP address to our computer, so my MAC address and my IP address is getting mapped.
Yeah.
And this mapping is stored at two places, ARP table and NIC table.
ARP table and NIC.
NIC table, yes. Network interface card table.
Okay.
Okay. So because whatever IP address we give to our computer, it becomes the name of our network card. So my computer network card will known by this IP address in the network.
Okay. That is
All right.
hard embedded or?
No, there is not coded. See here, I will show you. When you go to CMD and you give command IP config. See, this is my Ethernet adapter and I'm connected wirelessly. So this is my Wi-Fi adapter, and this is the IP address given to, this is what called NIC table. This is the
Okay.
IP address of my Wi-Fi card. So this is the IP address given to my computer. Now my Wi-Fi card is known by this IP address. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
So whatever IP address you configure in your PC or your laptop, it becomes the name of your computer. Your computer will known by this IP address in the network. All right.
Yeah.
The second is ARP table. ARP table is that table in which mappings are saved. Let's say my computer is having a MAC address AA and it's having an IP address of this. So it is mentioned that ARP table that my MAC address is AA and its IP address is 192.168.1.10 like this.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm.
Okay. So can I change the slide?
Yeah.
All right. Now here is the main point, and it is not in the syllabus, but then also I'm going to teach you this thing because it increase your knowledge. It increase your knowledge. It provides you visibility that how data flows in the network. Okay. So in this topology, in IP flow topic, I am going to show you when you send the data or you ping in a same network, then how your data flows and how you get, see, like I have ping here, right? I have ping my gateway, right? And the reply is coming, right?
Mm.
So what happened in the background so that my computer is getting the reply? So this thing I am going to show you now in LAN. Okay. Later on in man and WAN also I will show you how the packet flows. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start. So in IP flow, what I'm going to teach you now. In IP flow, I'm going to teach you in local area network, in same room, same office, same building, in same network, when one device communicate with another device, then how it get the data and how it get the ping replies. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say this is my computer and you are sitting here on the fourth desk.
Mm-hmm.
My computer MAC address is AA and my IP address is 10001, and your computer MAC address is DD and your IP address is 10004, right?
Yeah.
Now I have shown you that my computer will develop an ARP table which is called as layer 2 table, and routing table which is called what we call NIC table. NIC table is also called as layer 3 table. Okay.
Okay. So the routing table is in the router, or
Yeah, it is in the router. It is by mistake name is given. Basically, it is
okay.
NIC. It is NIC table, not routing table. Okay.
Okay.
Routing table comes under router. Now what happens? See now what happens. So I will ask you, hey Daniel, what is your IP address? So you told me that my IP address is 10004. So what I will do? I will go to CMD and I will type ping 10.0.0.4, right?
Yeah.
And immediately replies start coming like this, right?
Yeah.
But in background what happens? So I'm going to show you. So now in background what happens? So I am as a user, I type ping 10.0.0.4 and then press enter. So now my computer will do each and everything, not me. Okay. So now what happened? Now my computer will create a frame. When computer communicate with each other, they don't have a mouth like a human being. So they communicate in the form of frame or packet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like I am writing a letter to you, you are writing a letter to me. In the same way, computers are talking to each other by creating a frame.
Yeah.
So frame is like a letter which I am sending to you and you are
Yeah.
sending to me. All right.
Mm.
So now what happened? Now what happened? So my computer will create a frame. My computer will create a frame in which first field will be data. Okay, in which it is written that hey, I am ICMP echo packet. I am ICMP echo packet, and I want to know your network layer status. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The second thing will be source IP address. Source IP address means the IP address of my computer.
Yeah.
So from where my computer will get the source IP address? From NIC table. My computer will go to NIC table and
Mm-hmm.
ask, hey NIC table, what is our IP address? So it will tell that, hey, our IP address is 10001
Okay. The NIC table is in
in
the
our
computer,
computer.
in
In
our
our
computer,
computer. This both the table are in our computer. I have
but the
shown you
IP
NIC
address
table.
is assigned
See,
by the router, isn't it?
no, IP address is assigned by DHCP server or we manually assign, which is called statically.
Statical. Okay.
Router does not assign IP address, but if you make router as a DHCP server, then your router will give you IP address. Like for an example, I am having a Wi-Fi router at my home, right?
Yeah.
So my Wi-Fi router is acting as a DHCP server also.
All right.
So whenever my laptop connect with the Wi-Fi adapter, Wi-Fi, so this Wi-Fi gives me a IP address like this.
Okay.
Okay. So router will act as a DHCP server and gives IP address. Otherwise,
Mm.
we have to manually configure the IP address. All right.
Yeah.
Now, so my computer will go to NIC table and get the IP address, right?
Mm.
So are you understanding till here each and everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So you can ask me if you have a doubt. Okay. Now, now, the second thing is the second field is destination IP address. Destination IP address means the IP address of your computer to whom I am pinging. So
Yeah.
my computer will get the destination IP address from command prompt. See here I'm writing each and everything. Source IP address my computer will get from routing table. Destination IP address my computer will get from CMD, because in my NIC table there is no 10004, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this thing my computer will get from CMD. My computer will go from CMD and pick this IP address and put it here in destination IP address. All right.
Yeah.
The third field will be source MAC address. Source MAC address means the MAC address of my computer. So now my computer will get the MAC address from its ARP table. ARP table is the table where MAC address and IP address mappings are saved. Okay,
Mm.
and it is there inside my computer. It is there inside my computer. So my computer will go to ARP table and tell ARP table that, hey ARP table, please give me the MAC address. So my ARP table will give me the MAC address of AA, and my computer will write it in source MAC address. All right.
All right.
Now the last field is destination MAC address. So the destination MAC address is also getting from ARP table, but now currently as this network is new network, this is a new network, no computer have communicated with each other, and this is the first time I am pinging to your computer to check the connectivity. So currently there is no entry because it is fresh, it is new, right? And
Mm-hmm.
this is the very first activity which I am doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So my computer will go to ARP table and tell, hey ARP table, please give me the IP address of 10004. So this ARP table says that, hey computer, I don't know anyone by name 10004. I don't know who is. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Now here's the problem comes. Now my computer is not getting the MAC address of your computer, right?
No.
So what my computer will do? My computer will broadcast the message that, hey, whoever is 10004, please give your MAC address.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now what we'll do? So in IP communication, there are three types of communication: unicast, multicast, and broadcast. Okay. Unicast means one to one, like let's say on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp,
Yeah.
I am chatting with you and you are chatting with me.
Mm.
So that is called a unicast communication. I am
Mm-hmm.
talking to you and you are replying to me. Right. The second is multicast. Multicast means, let's say we have created a CCNA group on WhatsApp.
Mm.
We have created a CCNA group on WhatsApp. Okay. On
Mm.
WhatsApp, we have created the group in which I am sending an update. Okay, tomorrow the lecture is on 8 a.m. Indian timing. So everyone is replying, okay, fine, okay, 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 okay. So what is this? This is called multicast. In
Multicast.
multicast, I am talking to a group and a group of people is replying to me. Got it?
Yeah.
This is called the multicast. Now what is broadcast? In our WhatsApp, we have a feature called broadcast list. Right. Now
Mm.
what happened? In our India, we have many festivals. We have Diwali, we have Eid, we have Christmas. Okay. So we
Mm-hmm.
celebrate each and every festival, and our friends are belong from different communities. So what happened whenever the Eid is coming? So I don't go personally each and every message. I created a broadcast list and I have thousands of contacts. So I added all the contact in that broadcast list and I just send a message in broadcast list that Eid Mubarak to all. So that message will go to each and everyone in my contact, right? And each and everyone reply back to me. Similarly, when Christmas is coming, I just write down Merry Christmas to all. So this message will go to each and every contact in my mobile phone, right?
Yeah.
So this is called the broadcast. I'm talking to everyone and everyone is replying to me. So that is called broadcast. Got it?
Yeah.
So now this is the unicast frame. This is the ICMP frame, right?
Yeah.
This is the unicast frame which is going only for 10004, right?
Mm. Yeah.
And in this frame, there is one problem that my computer is not getting this IP address, this MAC address of your computer, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what my computer will do, my computer will, my computer will keep this frame aside, keep this frame aside to find this. So to find this, my computer will create another frame, which is called
ARP.
which is called broadcast frame,
Mm.
ARP broadcast frame, right?
Yeah.
ARP broadcast frame, sending IP and requesting for MAC, ARP broadcast frame. Why my computer is creating this ARP broadcast frame? To find this,
To find the MAC address.
okay, of your computer.
Mm.
So are you understanding till here each and everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.